Hi, this is Richard. I am going to show you how to add variations to products that exist on SweatshirtStation.com. This is for Charles River Apparel. I'm going to do the 5118 is the next one I have on my list to do. So what I'll do is I'll go over to the Charles River Apparel website, and then I will type in the product number 5819, and I can see that's the women's classic soft shell vest for $49.90. So then I go back into here, and if I haven't pulled it up, I typically would just come up here and I'd pull up that product by searching for it. You can see it's a draft because it doesn't have any attributes associated with it, even though it's a variable product. So what I need to do first is I need to go in and add some attributes. It looks like women's sizes have already been added up through 3XL, and it looks like it only should go up to 2XL, so I'm just going to delete that one. Then I'm gonna add a custom attribute, which will be for the color. So navy, black and vapor gray, and raspberry and gray are the three colors we're going to use. So we got navy, black and vapor gray, raspberry gray. We'll put that it's visible on the product page and that it's used for variations, and then I'll click Save. The next thing that I need to do is I need to go ahead and put together the images that we're going to use for each of the variations. So I'm going to click on navy, and I will copy this and post it into my Photoshop file, and then save for web and devices. We typically make them 600 by 714, something like that. And then I go and I create a new folder for that particular product, which is 5918. Isn't that right? Let's see, 5819. And inside that folder, we're going to save this one as Charles River Apparel 5819. This is the women's classic soft shell vest. This is navy, so I'll go ahead and put the color in there. Now when I do the other two, I copy it and paste it in there. What I can do is go back to where I had the other product name. I can just click on that, and then I can switch out that color for the new one that I'm saving here. And then I'll go back into the same thing for the raspberry and gray. Put that one in. And change out the color again. Okay, now I've got all the product pictures. I'm actually going to go ahead and add some of these livestock pictures too. So those make for good opportunities to add some more flavor to the product itself, and also more pins on Pinterest or whatever else we want to do with this. So this is the one that is in a raspberry color. I'm going to put model, just to show the differentiation that this is a model picture. This one here, I'll put in there, and I'll save this to show that this is a his and hers matching type of picture. So I'll click on that again and just do matching his, hers, and that does that. Okay, so now I've got my pictures, and I'm all ready to go to create these variations. What I'll do here is go ahead and click Add Variation. There's 3 total variations. I just go ahead and click all 3. And then I'll go back up here, and I'll use any women's size, and I'll start with navy. I'm going to go in here and grab, I'm going to upload those from that directory that I just created. Go ahead and pull those up, and then we want to have the titles of these be not just a hyphenated lowercase. We want to have it be actual real formatted text, so that when someone hovers over that picture on the page, that it will show something like this instead of just the default. So Charles River Apparel 5819 women's classic Go ahead and put an apostrophe in there, make it formal. Soft shell vest. And maybe I'll copy that and I'll also put it in with the alt text. I'm going to go ahead and just, while I'm at it, throw it into these other ones and then just change it. At the end of this, say matching his and hers. And then this one is the black one. So I put it in there with black. I just change out the, you can see I just have to go back once I paste them in, just go back and change the last part of it so it makes it quicker. And then this one, raspberry gray model. And so we were doing the navy one. I'll go ahead and set the variation for navy with this, and then I can go in and really quickly grab the vapor gray, the black and vapor gray, and now the raspberry gray. And that was this one. So then I've got all the variations here. Now I need to put the prices in there, so you can do this, choose a field to bulk edit. And the prices, the retail price is $49.90 on this, so I click go, I type $49.90. And then I can also go and put our sales price. We typically will drop it a little bit from what the retail price is, so we'll say $46.50 for the sales price. $2 or $3 off is a good opportunity to hopefully close some deals. So now that we've done that, we'll go back up here to gallery images, and I'm just going to go ahead and grab all of those images that I just put into that directory, and I'll save them there, and then I'll hit publish.